So currently, our jet ski is filled with water. It has a broken drive shaft. I think water is coming in from the broken drive shaft because there's a broken seal. Right now it's filling with water faster than we can pump it out with our hand-pulled pumps. We just tried for about half an hour. I'm pretty sure more water got in than before. We have to tow it over to the landing around that corner. But if we can't tow it, if there's water in it and it can't float, which it can't float right now on its own. So, we're gonna have to see what we do about that. Got it out.